guys, welcome back to my channel.
Our YouTube channel. We have for the rough neck nigga on the top. We just wanna see me automatic with the drop. My house and speak to the middle of my cards, please. I'm just obsessed with my baby. I've been trying to sort out this lighting like forever. But hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's currently 7 o'clock. We have less than 30 minutes to get ready. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As you should. Like what we doing. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is a public holiday, so we thank God for that because I need this. I need the break. I really do need the break. I'm wearing this dress from Zara, but I think I'm gonna change it. What did I even do on Friday? Yeah, on Friday I just went to work in the morning. I had to work early in the morning. I'm using the elf primer, by the way. It's so good, and I feel like it's like a dupe for the Milk Grip primer. But yeah, I already did my hair, straightened my hair back in a low bun. But yeah, I went to work early in the morning on Friday. Then work was cool or whatever. I know I have work in the morning, but I had work this day, so I did that. I had a couple of classes which I didn't really record. Then I went to Dunkin' to get breakfast. What was it?
I'm number
I don't know. I'm a Starbucks girl, like I'm a Starbucks girl, always been, always will be, and I need to stop giving. I only went there because Dunkin' was having like this. I'm using Maybelline foundation. Anything I don't see I'm using, I'm gonna put it down below. But I'm a Starbucks girl, but then I was like, let me just try it on. Thing I got was like making my stomach run. Like maybe I took a bite, I was really like, okay, let me just locate the nearest toilet because like just when you know when you just taste something where you're like, I know it's gonna suck and destroy my stomach real bad. But I bought it because it was free. Like you buy a drink and you get it for free, and I needed it for breakfast. And Starbucks is actually expensive. I won't even lie. Tell me why a drink and a snack is almost $11. A small cup of drink, well, not the big one, or the tiny one with plenty ice. Only 3 sips of, like, girl. But I'm still a Starbucks girl. I love Starbucks so much. I don't want to mess up my hair, but I love Starbucks so much. But I was like, that the refresher and the snack was just $3. So it was like, just make time is what you make do with what you have type shit. So the drink, what Starbucks Dunkin' refresher is always good. Like that used to be my job, but I stopped for a while because I was overdoing it, and I don't like to hate things I like. If I overdo it, I will just start to hate it. So anyways, I'm not doing like a serious beat because I'm just going to dinner with my friend. I was never going to do my makeup, but I'm like, let me just do it so that in case I want to take pictures, I can. Pictures for Instagram. Okay, what did I do on Saturday? Today is Sunday, like I said. Yesterday, I didn't do more. I went to a new gym. You know, I was telling you guys last vlog that I wanted to try a new gym. I went to a new gym. I love it so much. It's like an adult's playground. Like, you know, I love to lift weights. So it's literally like, if you love to lift weights, you will love that place. And the aesthetics are giving, like... No, more. to record my leg day routine, but it didn't really gel. I have to carry my big tripod next time I'm going because like you can record there too. So it's like win-win situation for me. So I'm still going to my old gym because that one is like more accessible for like days I'm busy because it's not far away from me. So I'm still going to keep that one, and I would have this one. I would probably go to this one like 2 times a week when I just want to like properly just spend like 2 or 3 hours in the gym. Then the other one for like sharp workouts throughout the week. I'm using the Elf concealer, hydrating concealer. This concealer I need to get a darker shade too, because this one is very bright, and I feel like the other don't want to do under, like today I don't want to do too bright on the eye, but I just have to because this is all I have right now. After the gym I didn't do much. I just stayed at home all day. Literally, I was at home in bed all day. I haven't been feeling fine, so I was just like trying to get some rest. So I was at home all day. Today's Sunday. Earlier today, I spoke to my mommy. I was on the call with her for some time. I woke up by like 9. I woke up a little bit later today. Yeah, I'll send it to you. I can't hear you, sorry. Send it to you. You don't listen to the 3 different songs. Okay, so you're not going to be every week. I'll pay you to the editing for her. Let me take the stress off her because she was saying she has been sick and all that. I said, yeah, because of all that she that yes, you just be recording. You just be So she called me like immediately I woke up. So I was on the phone with her. Sorry, I keep looking here. I'm trying to look into the mirror, but yeah, I spoke to my mom this morning. Then like I've just had this sudden obsession for coffee shops. Like, girl, I went to this really cool one today. It's near like where like it's closer to my house. I won't say it's like really close, but then like I live in like a really residential area, so it's closer to where I live. So I feel like that would be like my spot. Like it was really giving, and they kept on playing like serious Afrobeats, and I was like, this is my vibe. I kind of like this. Okay, can I have the blueberry muffin then for the iced matcha latte?
Sure. What kind of milk would you like?
Let me just do you have oatmeal?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let me do oatmeal.
And can I have your name, please?
Eddie, E-D-I.
So it's $9.90. You can insert tab or swipe your card.
Thank you.
And what's your social media? I'd love to support you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I can write that down for you.
Influencers gotta support other influencers.
Yeah, I can write that down for you before I leave on like a piece of paper.
Right, sounds good.
Thank you.
She's saying, all these mistakes are really hard.
I am at the cafe right now. Oh shit. I'm at the cafe right now. I got me a matcha latte. It matches My green. So good. I don't like coffee anymore. I'm trying to limit my coffee. Then I got a blueberry muffin. You know I love my blueberry muffins. So good. Look at how I look, please. I actually just left my house. I don't know what this pimple is, but it's currently 1:44. I'm here till about 4. So close by 4. I wish I could stay here longer. Like someone come earlier, but I'm still, doing some schoolwork currently. We're playing some short Afrobeats back to back to back to back to back, yeah. Like, girl. Don't smell big so clean at the coffee shop. So that was cool. That was really cool. I feel like the whole concept of the coffee shop was just giving. I was like, oh. And it was not like only mainstream Afrobeats. I'm telling you, from the beginning I was at the end of the I was there. I feel like 80% or 90% was like Afrobeats. And I was like, yo, really? So I'm looking at my Google calendar. I can tell you what I'm doing this week. Tomorrow is Monday, no school. Thank God though. But I have that day off to relax. That's the reason why I feel like I'm going out tonight, because I don't have school tomorrow. I have school every single day, Monday to Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. Girl, every single day of the week. Last semester I had Friday off, and I took that for granted. Because I'm like, I wish I had Friday off this semester, but I feel like last semester I was needed, because spring semester is kind of chill, because I have a lot of like midterm breaks. This is the reason why I love spring semester. Like, spring semester is my jam, because like times like this, you can't just rest. Because I really needed this like break. I really needed this break, break today. So I'm really happy. Wait, hold on. Sorry guys, I was looking for my. Look at this painting I made of my cat, please. I'm just obsessed with my baby. I'm obsessed with my baby. I got this brush from Shein. When I tell you that this is like the Real Techniques brush dupe. Like when I traveled with my friend, I thought her Real Techniques was mine. Like same texture, and this was just $3. I mean $2. But yeah, I just like this for a bit. So Monday, I don't think I'm doing anything tomorrow, to be honest. Like I feel like I'll just chill at home, because I just need to rest. I need rest. Like I really do need some rest. So I'm just gonna chill at home tomorrow. Probably do like some meal prep. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cook, because I have like some steak in the fridge. And I told you in my last vlog, I'm giving myself a punishment. No buying of groceries until everything in my freezer is gone. When I mean everything, I mean every single drop is gone. So I have some steak in the fridge, and I'm going to make I have some tortillas. I'll probably make like tacos for lunch on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of school. This is what my makeup turned out to be. I just used NYX and Leah Beauty on my lips. I just really like subtle makeup. I'm gonna use my Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Mist to give my collarbone some shine. She just got here, so I'm about to rush downstairs. I'll catch you guys at the restaurant. Anybody wanna buy? We're going to dinner. Like we've not met since like forever. I miss my big sis. So I was like, I haven't seen you in like forever, literally. Unless you wanna play, you ain't says murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Mrs. I got things are so pretty round this time of year,
I can't ignore it. I cannot.
Let's see if it's dinner tonight.
I had this Indian food this afternoon. Oh, I mean this morning was too good.
Where in Cambridge do you go from?
What?
I think you went to Cambridge when you said you went to a cafe.
No, I went to one cafe in my house called Mad House. It's like this motorcycle ride. It's really fun.
I like your makeup.
Really?
Different.
I feel like I've been upping my makeup game. I'm upping my makeup game. Thanks. But I rush this on sharp, but I feel like what would you say?
You know.
Should we just start with this now?
Yeah,
Since I've
because
eaten before.
we can just order even like.
Because I'm not, you're not really hungry. I'm going to order one entree and share. And so I can look good at them.
Really fried rice.
I've seen
But
like
let me look
fried
at that
rice.
video
Yeah,
you sent. It's expensive.
because that fried rice looks nice. Crab fried rice too. One thing about us, we're gonna fuck up some food. We're gonna fuck up some food. Like, I feel like every time we actually, I feel like whenever I go out with other people, they would normally not like wanting to share their food. And it's like, hi, I'm scared. They're not wanting to share their food. And I'm like,
What's so full?
we're thinking about dessert. So
Yes, dessert.
we're thinking about dessert. Let's think about it.
Yeah, think about it, but
No,
the
but
dessert's so good.
Yeah, we either want to do this for Sunday or the baked Alaska for two.
Vanilla spot, yes. That one's really
Which one do you recommend?
Baked that's what we
good.
ordered.
My favorite's not on the menu anymore.
What was
But
it?
I've had this more Sunday. It's good, but the baked Alaska Batus.
That's what we want.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the bit Alaska.
And if you hate it, then we're gonna do something else.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay.
One thing about us.
Jesus Christ. Wait, let me tell you, this afternoon.
Yeah.
I think I told you the girls.
How do I do this? Like this? Thank you. How do I, like that? That's how it goes?
Guys, we just demolished 5 pounds worth of food.
Fit fab.
This is so romantic. Oof. Restaurant is so cute. Bring your bae here, guys. I brought my bae.
Yeah. Her best date ever.
Actually, we always have a good time every single time. I can't even lie. But that last resto bar, it didn't even like just spoiled our mood.
Where?
Last restaurant we went to. I don't like busy places. That's the thing. I don't really like busy places. And it was so busy. It was too busy. So let's take a selfie. Guys, let's take a video instead.
Okay, thank you. Someone's just
Girl, let me post on my. Jesus.
I don't like new bread sometimes.
That was a lot of food though. Or more. Don't be about to hang my display on this.
Someone will just open. Your tag is still on.
Hi! Zara sale. Guys, I saw my chair's always been turned, but it just expanded.
Why is my face so oily? That's weird.
That was some heavy food. I'm happy it was actually like good.
And it was cheap.
Very cheap.
Like if I remove the drink,
Very cheap.
it was like I haven't posted in a minute.
I'm not seeing it in your story in a while though. You're like, what is your small sis? People on your story.
Yeah, I don't even feel like it's embarrassing because I feel like okay, let me just use this.
Okay, don't speak.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Our YouTube channel. We have Sorry.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, guys.
You look amazing.
Thank
by the way.
you.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Eddie Job and my name is Eddie too. We're twins. I have the same last name too, so like born on earth with the same person. No way. Bro.
It's too romantic.
So romantic. The songs too are really good. The songs too are really good.
Reminding me of what I am, a single girl.
Single, making your money. Don't play.
Did you get your boots from? They're super
Zara.
cute. From Zara?
Yeah, that's right now.
Nice.
Thank you.
Those are cute too.
Thank you.
Did you see her?
Ugh. Girls, dressed like a Wall Street baddie with these schools. How should want to this one because I thrifted it.
Oh,
Thank you. Yeah. I just got to Kiki's house. Don't mind this my Wall Street coats. Well, it was too cold. I had to, cover up. I can't be exposing my body to cold too much. But I got to Kiki's house and she got me a present. So I'm glad to open it. I don't know what's inside. But I'm super excited to see. I don't know what's inside, but let's see. Oh, I've been wanting a new candle. Can't even lie. Oh. Yeah, I must cry. Oh. And I've been wanting a new necklace too. Like, I've been wanting a new necklace too. Guys, I'm super excited. I can't wait to burn this. I've been wanting a new candle. Oh. Pink Prosecco. Get you a friend that be spoiling you. Get you a sis. Not even a friend. Get you a sister that be spoiling you real bad. I can't even wear this necklace right now. I can't even lie. But I've been wanting some new necklaces. I've been checking Marshall's them. I haven't been finding anything. I like to buy my jewelry in store. I even goes well with my outfits. I wish you brought this to the place. I would have worn this at the restaurant. Oh, excuse me. But I'm so tired. I want to sleep. My eyes are closing. I can't hide. I literally can't hide. Anyways. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you like the vibe. I just saw the present. Oh. I'm wanting a new candle. Really? But I haven't bought yet. Yes, I'm so happy. Thank you. Ooh. And the necklace too. Thank you so much. Thanks.
I just want a roughneck nigga on the top. Bitches wanna see me automatic with a drum. Ask me if my feelings bitches too big or not. Give it out to niggas on those people just for fun. Are you dumb? But that I ain't do the other man. Never met a girl with a mind like this. No. To give you the space and the time like this. I gotta pull it out here. Drinking my water, banging my bitch. Monday I'm over red, Tuesday on my dick. Flip-flop, flopping ass bitch. Fan me up, my waist go clip. Fan me up, I'm hot like solution. Now lock me up.
Okay. I'm about to eat puff puff, but today is Tuesday. I haven't even checked with you guys today. I'm not even in the mood as per like I'm not even in the mood for anybody. Everyone just lay their day. But it's currently almost 6. I had a doctor's appointment this morning. I had a couple of classes. I had work, which I just got out of. What did I do today? Anyways, I'm about to read for about 4 hours from 6 to 10. I haven't been able to read for like the past 2. I've been so sick. I feel like I still feel really sick. That's why I even look like this. But I feel like today was definitely bearable. Today was really bearable. I had a doctor's appointment today. I had a doctor's appointment on Thursday. I had an appointment on Friday. Like, I'm supposed to be in and out of the hospital like for this whole month. But yeah. I'm about to, this video is about to be nice. I'm trying a new skill, a new editing skill, but I just want to check in with you guys. I'll probably not talk to you guys too. Well, weirdo. I'll probably not talk to you guys too when I just edited today's vlogs, this vlog's thumbnail, and I think I kind of ate though. I'm trying to make my thumbnails look nice. I think that's the hardest part for me, editing thumbnails. So I'm trying to new things, inspo, stuff like that. Kiki, come and climb here. Come, baby. You're looking at me like this girl. Kiki, baby. So he's so troublesome. I don't know. I'm still talking. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Honestly, today has just been one kind. I need to start reading. My whole body's just paining me. But let me sit down on my bar island thing and read instead of going to my bed because I really feel like lying down, but I wouldn't really get anything done. I want to eat this puff puff. Guys, good morning. Today is not me vlogging when somebody's coming, but today is Wednesday. My first class isn't until 9:30, so I took my time this morning to like get ready and stuff. And I had breakfast. I tried this egg salad recipe that I'm gonna show you guys soon. I think next vlog I'm trying to put like one recipe in all of my vlogs because I cook a lot and I feel like I would love to incorporate cooking into my YouTube channel. So let me know if you guys liked the cooking segment at the beginning of this video. And I'm actually going to continue doing it, but I just want to know if you guys actually enjoyed it, and if you tried it, let me know as well. But today is chill. I have like one class and I have work, then I have work dinner in the night, so that's about it honestly. So I'll catch you guys later. My battery is about to die. Hey, it's the first time coming to my house. Hey. Just go to the library. I found like an empty table because I like all these tables that like a older person sitting down. So I found an empty table like that. Let me show you guys. So it's just me here. And people are, the library is full as per usual. I'm gonna be here till like 7 or 8 because they close by 8 today. But I have a dinner. I don't know if it's 7 or 8. If it's 8, I'll just stay here till they close. Have a lot of things to do. Already gets out of work by 2, so her job is just literally downstairs, not far away from here. So I'm going to go and see her before she goes home. Hopefully, that's in about 30 minutes. But yeah, I'm so happy I got this table because last time I was sitting down like a table with other people, and something about me is like I just be throwing my things. I like space. So I didn't want to inconvenience anybody, so I'm happy I found this desk. But I'm in the Boston Public Library. I'm trying to like study in different places because the atmosphere of school is just very like underwhelming for me lately. Before I sleep in the library in school as well, I was be there every single day, but I just feel like I just need somewhere else to study and just like a different atmosphere when I have like before I have exams is really needed for me. So I'm gonna do that. I'm in H&M. Quickly, I left my jackets at the library so I can save my seats, but this is my outfit of the day. I have to clean my camera real quick because it's looking really blurry, but this is the fit, as you can see. So cute. This is my favorite way to dress. I love really like baggy clothes. This is how I dress most of the time, honestly. I love me hoodie, my hoodie set. But I don't know where Aura is yet. I think she's still trying to check out. Which flavor do I want? I want strawberry. Okay. Two strawberry. 2 mangoes. I like the coconut one as well. Coconut. This Trader Joe's is so limited. Blueberry. I don't even like blueberry. They have eggs for $2.99, but I bought eggs. I don't know I should still buy it. Because I bought eggs for $6 the other day. Let me just buy one. Yeah, chai. blind game to that place. I also came for this. It has protein in it, so, but they said that this one is good as well. But I'm like, I don't know.
Chopsticks for the first time.
Say hi!
Yay!
Finally reuniting with you. We're about to eat some hot pot. Okay.
Wait, no, I'm actually surprised we had crabs like this. What the heck? Let's make it aesthetically pleasing.
Yep. I took this picture. Look at how cute I look, please. Aww. Elvin looks so cute.
Right?